So Colin was ripping. He crashed a little bit. He did really good though. He lost his chain, and I tell you what, he pushed it all the way back. So we're gonna try to pop this chain on for the next event. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it's not broke.
Oh, that's him. Oh. Just like the go-kart.
Yep. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Tell me when I'm close.
I did good though. I did really quick.
Yeah, you did really good.
All these other people took like 5 minutes. And it only took me like 2 minutes.
You did good.
Maybe they'll give me extra points.
Maybe. All right. See if we got this. Oh, it's back on. Fire me up, boys and squirrels. Well, let's hope we didn't break the spark plug off. Doesn't look like it. Hold this. Good to go. You happy now? All right.